Welcome to my online course on 805 microcontroller programming using embedded C and assembly language. In this introductory video, I will try to answer some of the basic questions in your mind, such as why do we need to study 805 microcontroller? I personally believe that if anyone wants to learn microcontroller or microprocessor programming, then one should start with the 805 microcontroller because it's very easy to understand and program, and lots of source material is also available on net. 8051 microcontroller programming with assembly language and embedded C will make you future ready, and you can learn any complex microcontroller and microprocessor very quickly. Study of 8051 provides the best way to get the hardware concepts such as timer, counter, interrupt, serial communication, etc. These concepts are there in all the advanced microcontrollers. This course is intended to give you complete details on hardware and software requirements of 8051 microcontroller programming. This course will help you to understand the working of input-output ports, timer, counter, interrupt, and serial communication in microcontroller. Course will also explain the interfacing of LED switch, LCD 7 segment, and Bluetooth module with 8051 microcontroller. This course will also help you to understand the process of burning the program into the 8051 microcontroller. Hence, will make you ready to create your own application project using 8051 microcontroller. At the end of course, you will be doing two application projects on 8051. One is generation of PWM wave to control speed of DC motor, and the second one is wireless control of devices using your smartphone and 8051 microcontroller. Why take this course? The course make it so easy to learn 805 microcontroller programming. You will be building and testing your own program in no time. The course is delivered in a such a way that anyone who takes this course will have absolute no problem in understanding all the topic discussed. This course is packed full of practicals, step-by-step examples so that you are coding 8051 from day one. Same practical example is discussed in both embedded C and assembly language, help you to better understand the working of code and its relation with hardware. I believe that doing practically without knowing the theory is half learning. Hence, in this course, I will cover all the necessary theory related to 8051 before starting doing the practical sessions. I know your time is very precious, and hence I deliver information straight to the point. The complexity of project will gradually increase. Hence, it advised to watch video the way they are arranged of course. For coding purpose in this course, I will be using Kyle Software IDE. This software is the best way to start 8051 learning. In the same course, you will also learn Proteus simulation software. This software will help us to design the virtual environment so that we can run our design code virtually using Proteus simulation software, and we can test the correctness of our code.